Sir, what are you doing?
Hey, sir.
Hey, sir, get down from the wooden camp rails. Sir, get down from the wooden camp rails. Man overboard, port side! Man overboard, port side!
Man on board, port side. All crew, please report to your station. If you have any doctors and nurses on board, please remain in your seat. If you passengers, please remain in your seat. What's going on? We'll be doing the port side pickup.
Port side pickup. Roger, port side pickup. Victim about 100 feet off your stern.
Get off the stern. Beautiful. Gate's open.
Gate is open. Victim still about 150 feet off your stern. Deckhand, put it on tether.
I can't put it on tether. Oh.
Grabbing ladder.
Grabbing ladder. North.
Ladder on the move. Ladder going downstairs. Securing Deckhand.
Securing Deckhand.
Deckhand secured.
Deckhand secured.
Securing ladder.
Securing ladder.
There you go. Close enough.
Damn it.
Damn it. Damn it. Got it. Ladder secured.
Ladder secured.
Ladder going down.
Ladder going down.
Ladder in position. Deckhand in position. Deckhand ready. Maintain course. Maintain speed. Course is good. Maintain course. Maintain speed.
Maintain course. Maintain speed. Oh, I know what it is. It's caught.
Oh, I see. Here, let me lift that up. Maintain course. Maintain speed.
There you go.
Thank you. Readjusting ladder. Ladder secured. Start slowing the boat. Maintain course. Slide starboard. 35. Slide starboard. Can you grab the ring?
Yeah. Grab your ring.
Course is still good. Maintain speed. Slight port. Maintain course. You got 15 feet. Maintain speed and keep course. You can start slowing the boat. Bringing victim to ladder.
Bringing victim to ladder.
You got 5. Victim by ladder.
Victim's at the ladder. Stop the boat.
Stop the boat. Try and get, there you go. All right, hold him right there.
Holding victim at the ladder. Deckhand going down ladder.
Deckhand going down ladder.
Grabbing victim. Line at the waist.
Yeah, I got him. All right, victim on ladder.
On ladder. Nice.
Being victim on ladder. Ready? I'm gonna give you one. We are. I'm gonna scoot this way. Sorry, sir.
Take your time.
Sorry, sir. I know this is very invasive. All right. Ready? 1, 2. Wait, hold on. Ready, answer?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you got him. We're pulling him
Grab the ladder
up.
at the waist. Or the line at the waist.
Ready? There you go.
Come on, sir.
1,
I
2,
believe in you.
3. Victim is on board.
Come on board.
Alright, we're gonna check those vitals.
Checking vitals.
He's not breathing.
Not breathing.
One AED.
Come on, Oscar.
Come on,
On
Oscar.
the backs.
God damn it. Okay, whatever.
Alright, he's fine.
Victim's alive and okay.
He's got a DNR.
He's waking up.
Yeah, that's crazy. Alrighty. Good job, guys.
Hey, if you got a DNR.